1939 construction machinery company pump. Well, the engine dates 1939. Here's another relic. Looks to have a adapter plate with a inboard engine carburetor with flame arrestor. Neat spring-loaded throttle setting. Goes down to the governor linkage, of course. I imagine the original fuel pump was in the, not fuel pump, but fuel tank was in the hood. I'm not sure. Haven't seen any catalogs on this. Some kind of hitch. I don't know what that lever's for. Somebody's adapted it to a generator starter, using the generator as a motor to turn it over and start it up. Magneto side. Wisconsin, air cooled, of course. I put some more oil in the cylinders this morning. Wisconsin tag. AC4. Big ass pump on the back. Son of a bitch. I bet that pump housing weighs more than the engine. Well, the yellow Cummins is coming out of the shop in a month. This and that Hercules genset at PE 197 or 97. That's going in. These are going into the shop. That 97 is going to be made to run and out first. A dual prime pump. CMC. Construction machinery company. Not locked up. Okay. Hey, thanks for watching my video.